Knights destroying Mixels. Well, I guess they came back.
Ninja Kiwi to the rescue!
Stomp! Whoa,
Wow, can you teach me how to be a ninja? Just like you? Yes.
Sure, yeah. Lesson 1, kick butt. Alright, today Gabba and Champlay will display this lesson. Ow, yow. Now,
Phil,
I'll show you
how
it.
it feels like going.
Ow, when's he coming down? 3 minutes later.
Okay,
Ow.
Kiwi.
Lesson 2, pain is your best friend.
Do you want to cut?
Yes,
No, thank you.
Alright. Ow, that hurt.
This is awesome.
Ow. Oh, ow.
How to make an awesome pose.
How to make an awesome pose. Alright, this is a demonstration of awesome pose. Awesome. Okay. Leg. Yeah. Epic.
Ish.
Alright.
Okay.
Test. I want you to run around the world 60 times. Okay, wait, what? Hey, you're not even a ninja master.
Ninja master.
Hey, no. Yes, I am. I'm a ninja master.
Oh.
Yeah! I'll take you all down. Ow! Treat. Yeah. I did it.
You messed with my friend and my girlfriend, now I have to mess with you. Come on.
Okay, I'll never be a ninja master again.